Hey gang, this quick video here will show you how to get through assignment number 1, your 5 themes of geography children's book graphic organizer. It's down here in the assignment Dropbox, which you know because you're watching this video. You're going to go ahead and click on it and open up the assignment itself into full screen mode. Once we get here, it says step 1, watch the video. You're doing that right now. Step 2, select a country. So down here at the bottom, you'll see this Google Sheet that says 5 themes, country choices. Go ahead, click on that. And once you get there, it will open up this giant spreadsheet, and you are going to find a country that you would like to choose by typing your name and your class hour. Now, once somebody has selected it, like maybe you had your heart set on Ethiopia, but you come and you see that Mr. Canton already selected it, it's taken. It's off the board. So find a new country. There's a lot of them. That's the first step. Then, after you have selected your country, it says research your country using culturegrams. The link is right here. You will need the username, which is STMA, and the password, which is Knights. Super clever. But go ahead and open that up, and we type in our username and our password. And once you get there, you can use the blue World Edition or the green Kids Edition. The green Kids Edition's a little bit lower level. The blue edition's a little more detailed. It's really up to you which one you want to use. I prefer the blue one, but if you feel like it's a little overwhelming for you, then go into the kids version. If the kids version isn't given what you want, then go to the blue version. You follow? So we go into that kids edition, for example. I selected Ethiopia, which happens to be in Africa. So I go ahead and click on Africa, and I go ahead and locate Ethiopia. There it is. And now I've got all kinds of lovely, fantastic info about Ethiopia. Truly, Culturegrams is a wealth of information. There's all kinds of fun stuff. You got your Did You Know? You got your flag. You could listen to the national anthem. There's all kinds of things. You got a little photo gallery on the right-hand side, loads of stuff. And then over on the left-hand side, again, you've got a bunch of additional info. So you're going to use culturegrams to figure out more about your country. For example, if you are researching place and you were looking at physical characteristics, you might click on land and climate, because that's going to give you a little bit about the physical characteristics. If you wanted the absolute location of Ethiopia, that one you could just Google. You know how to type, like me. There we go. And it gave me 9.14 north, 40.49 east. We could round up a little bit. That's really the only one you're going to want to Google, though, is absolute location. The rest of it, though, it's going to be in culturegrams. So let's go back to our main classroom work page. We selected our country. We have gone and opened up culturegrams, and then, like it says, step 4, complete the graphic organizer. Now, there is a copy right here, this PDF, 5 Themes Children's Book. It's where you can put your name. It's where you can put the country that you're doing. It's where you can put the due date. This is due Friday, by the way, Friday, September 18th. So you could go ahead and fill in that due date there. Whoop. Sorry about that. Sorry, struggling there. And then all of the other info goes right on here. This is just like your research guide. Now, like I said, it'd be preferable if you actually printed it. However, if you were unable to print because you don't have a printer at home, that's fine. You can kind of create your own on a sheet of paper. It doesn't need to look exactly like the one that I have here on the screen, but some sort of document or sheet of paper that shows your research and shows your work, because you're going to be turning that in step 5. Step 5 asks you to attach a scan or a picture of your finished organizer and then mark as done. Now, if you have an Android device, you can actually do it. There's the how-to info right here at the bottom, Android how-to scan. You can use the Google Drive app. It's super easy. You basically select the little plus button, and then you select scan. Boom, you can scan in your finished. So again, after you've printed it, you're going to scan it. Or if you've got iOS, you basically use your Notes app. If you're on an Apple phone or tablet, you use the Notes app to scan. There are directions right here. If neither of those are working, then I suppose just go ahead and take a picture of your work. Just make sure it's of just your work and that it's well lit and it's clear and easy to see. And then when you're all said and done, before you click mark as done, you would click add or create, because after you scan this in, you're going to upload it to your Google Drive, which you should all know how to do. And then you would go ahead, you would find it in your Google Drive. It would probably be in your recent area here. I've got a bunch of other pictures and all kinds of things on my Google Drive. But and then you would attach it, and then you would just simply click mark as done. So that's it. You watch the video, you select a country out here on the spreadsheet, you do your research in culturegrams, and then you complete your 5 themes handout. When you're all done with that, you attach a scan and upload it. That is your task for today. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, remember first, try and help each other out. You can put a comment down here in the class comments. Help me, please. How do I scan? Right? You could put a comment out there just like that, and hopefully your peers can help you, or otherwise I can help you. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. Alrighty, talk to you later. See ya.